Hello, today we will guide you through how to know if someone blocked you on Gmail Updated. If you're trying to figure out whether someone may have blocked you on Gmail, it's important to know that Gmail does not provide a clear, direct notification that says you've been blocked. Because of that, the best approach is to look for a few signs and understand what they may mean. To begin, go to Gmail and sign into your account if needed. Once you're in your inbox, you'll be ready to test whether your messages appear to go through normally. This process won't give you absolute proof in every case, but it can help you identify possible clues. Next, send a test email to the person's Gmail address. Compose a new message and keep it simple and polite. The main thing you want to do here is check whether Gmail allows the message to send successfully. After you send it, pay close attention to anything that appears on screen, especially error messages, warnings, or delivery failure notifications. If Gmail accepts the message without any issue, that usually means the email was sent from your side. After that, check for any bounce back messages. A bounce back is an automatic response that appears when a message cannot be delivered. If your email comes back right away with a failure notice, that can mean a few different things. The address may be typed incorrectly, the account might no longer exist, the inbox could have a temporary issue, or the person may not be able to receive messages for some other reason. It's important to remember that this alone does not automatically mean you were blocked. A delivery failure is often a technical or account-related problem rather than proof of blocking. If your email does seem to send successfully and you do not receive any failure notice, the next thing to consider is whether replies are missing over time. If the person never responds, that could mean several things. They may be busy, choosing not to reply, filtering your messages, or in some cases blocking you. On its own, a lack of response is not confirmation, but it can be one sign when combined with other patterns. Overall, the key point is that Gmail does not make blocking obvious to the sender. The most useful clues are whether your email sends normally, whether it bounces back, and whether your messages consistently go unanswered. Use these signs carefully and avoid jumping to conclusions based on just one result.